Now the first step is to switch on the printers. So power button is at the back side, just press it once. Also we can load the A4 size sheets at the bottom tray, so as you can see here, and we can adjust the size like this. Install the A4 size sheets here and close this lid. Also take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging and remove the orange seal which is here. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door. It will hold itself, and wait for the ink cartridge chamber to move here. Once they are here, just open these locks and place the ink cartridges here. So this is the tricolor which is in pink, so just place it here. Just simply place it here, slide it under the lock and just lock it. And for the black as well, just place it here, slide and lock. So now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Just push it down and let it go itself.